Okay, so I wanted to show you guys a new thing we've been working on as well. It actually isn't even released yet, but wanted to give you guys a heads up. It will be hopefully coming out soon. But basically, with the news of basically Angular deprecating Protractor, uh, they haven't really gave like an alternative path forward or any like any plans for like alternatives or anything like this. So we really felt like this was a great opportunity for us as a DX team and as a Cypress to try to make the transition from anyone who's currently using Protractor to Cypress as best as possible. So we created this code mods tool called Cypress Migrator, and basically here you basically just put in your essentially your Protractor code, and then it literally does the migration into Cypress for you. You can copy the code, and then it actually then gives you it takes all the API methods that were used and actually gives you also direct links into the docs too. So if you're maybe you want to know what site visit does or what the site I should do, it'll actually take you directly to that in our docs, so you can get a deeper understanding of this, as well as we have a page on our docs that has a full how to migrate from Protractor to Cypress, kind of a more in-depth thing. But this is a tool that we're really excited about, and we think it's going to help a lot of people. You can see here is the entire list of basically things that we're code modding, which was unbelievably difficult to do. Adam and Paul and a big portion of our team played a big role in that. So wanted to kind of give you guys a tease of that. I think that that's something that hopefully you guys will be excited about for anyone who are using Protractor.
First of all, yes, we're excited. And second of all, we love Adam and Paul and we miss them. And I want you to give them big hugs for us and tell them that we miss them and tell them that they should visit. Next time we need to have Adam and Paul, just bring them not because we need them, because you guys can answer all of our questions, but we love them and we haven't seen them in a long time. And this is amazing. And so we just basically can just paste in anything we want and it's going to do our work for us.
Yeah, so the main thing to note is that this is not meant to be like Protractor and Cypress are not like an apples to apples translation, but it does do a pretty good job of transforming them. It's more meant to be like a learning tool. It does do a good job of transforming them, but the idea is that you can take a test from Protractor, put it in here, run the translation, and the goal is that you will learn what the different API methods in Cypress does, and hopefully we want it to be a learning tool, not just to run this quick, copy and paste and be done. You know what I mean?
All for us. We need guarantees.
When is the CLI version of this thing ready? So
I know, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Do it all.
And then hopefully at some day we'll be able to add support for like Selenium or other languages as well. Hopefully at some point, but again, we've been pretty busy, so little steps. So
I mean, it's like I said, the first thing that we loved, everyone that I talked to that was using Cypress, the reason everybody loved Cypress is because it was easy, and you guys are just making it even more easy. So this is amazing. We already loved you.